Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm hoping you had a great day today. I'm making a technology video after a long time. Hope you enjoyed this. Today I'll talk about how to fix OBS Studio lag. If in case you didn't know about OBS Studio, it is a video recorder. You can search it on YouTube for more information. Today I'll discuss a quick solution I tried out for OBS lagging. So I sometimes record gaming videos and sometimes you'll see very laggy or like low quality videos. That was actually recorded by OBS. Even though people think OBS is good, it's not always good. And I found a solution to this problem. And then here's a example of this. This is one of my other videos. Oh yeah, now you can see it. Yeah, super laggy. It's not the game that's mainly laggy. The game is a little laggy, but the video recorder is mainly laggy. This is an example of it lagging so much. So now I'll tell you how to fix it. So you open OBS Studio, you go to settings. Let me see if I can open another OBS Studio so I can show you. Here it is. Okay, so on the slides it tells us to open it. Go to settings and then click on video. And then over here it tells us to set it to 30. So over here you click on here and you set it to 30. When you click on this, it'll have a drop down list. You can select it. I already changed mine. I had to put mine lower because mine was lagging out so much. And yeah, here's a better preview of that and a more detailed preview. Over here you click on the drop down list. You set that to 30. I tested it in the games and it's a lot better. And then if it's still laggy, you can put a lower one and see if that works. Many other YouTube videos show different ways. You could try those ways and see if it helps. You could also try using something else to record. So like a built-in video recorder to every Windows computer is Xbox Game Bar, which can record your videos. So you do the shortcut Windows G, and then as you can see, here it is. You can start recording over here. But first you have to open up your game or whatever you're recording, and then you can start recording. Because the thing is that it only records one window. And I hope this is helpful for you. In the description I have this link which you can refer back to these slides if the slides helped you a lot. Have a good day, everyone.